Hello traders, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade One. In this video we are going to see that how Flash Trade One earned 350 pips gain in GBP USD in the 4 trading days using our trend indicator, using our supply and demand indicator, using the fundamental analysis, using the different broker volume data, and we generated the free signals, we generated the paid signals, and we also placed the trade in our mid trading client account. So I'm going to reveal everything in front of you, and we'll see that how 350 pips gain is made or was made in this week in GBP USD. So first of all, I'll move into the Flash Trade One major news trading channel, where today on the date of 27th November the signal was generated at 6:36 GMT. The time frame of the telegram is GMT, while the time frame of the MT4 is GMT plus 3. So when we generated the signal at 6:36 AM morning, then as per the GMT plus 3, the timing is 9:30 AM in the morning. So you can see that at 6:36 AM morning we posted the free signal on our major news trading telegram channel with subscriber of 11,040, and told the level for the entry was told was 1.338, 1.341. Now you can see that at 27th October at 10 GMT. So after 30 minutes we given the signal, GBP USD traded high to 1.338, means from the level we told, and it went down up to 70 pips, 331. So 1.338 to 1.331, 70 pips gain was made on 27th October, means today. Now this was of today. Also, I will move into the Flash Trade One live streaming. You can always visit our live streaming by moving into the YouTube channel of Flash Trade One. Just go into the YouTube and type the Flash Trade One, and you will be on our channel. And you can always search for our live streaming here. You will find it. But for your easiness, right now I will post the link of our live streaming. You can see that this is the live streaming which was streamed 2 hours ago. And let me move it. Increase the resolution, it is already at 1080. So you can see that here in GBP USD the master account was being traded with 4 lot size and 1400 profit is being booked. Along with the master account we also show other 9 accounts. All the 9 accounts are being traded with different lot size. So in account 1, which is traded with 0.5 lot size, we sell the GBP USD at price 1.33. Of course it would be from 1.3380, and you can see that the profit of 177 is being booked on the account 2, $411, account 3, 788. And in this way you can verify the profit and the lot size based on the lot size in all the 9 accounts. This is for today. Now I'll move into the trade of 26th November, where you can see that the signal was given at 6:13 AM morning GMT. So as per the GMT plus 3, the timing was at 9:13. Now you can see here at 3 GMT, at 8 GMT, and at 12 GMT, GBP USD traded high to 1.339. So again, after the levels we given at 9:13 AM GMT, GBP USD traded high to 1.339. The given level was 1.340. So in free signals, the level was missed just by 10 pips. But if any client would have contacted us personally by going into the flash trade one, this ask for the assistance. If any client would have asked our assistance, then we have guided them that you can take the market entry and you can place the order. And those client precisely made the 80 pips gain in GBP USD yesterday. So this is how the profit is been made in free signals. Now I'll go into the live streaming, where you can see that the live streaming was made on 26th November 2020, and you can see over here that again the master account was being traded with 4 lot size and 1500 profit is being booked. You can also verify the profit in other 9 accounts by visiting this link. Once again, I will post the link of the live streaming in my description, so you can visit it anytime. Now I'll move into the signal of 26th November. You can see that the date is 25th November at 6:39 AM GMT. I posted the signal on our Flash Trade One Telegram channel. So as per GMT plus 3, the timing was 9:39. Now you can see that on 25th October at 10 GMT, again after 40 minutes, we posted the signal. GBP USD traded high to 1.338. You can see that the level given was 1.336, 1.339. So our entry was precisely from the level, and then again it went down up to 1.330. So 1.338 to 1.330, 80 pips profit was booked on 25th October. We'll verify the profit in our mirror trading client account, where you can see that live streaming was made on 25th November. You can verify the date of the live streaming. Now we'll move into the live streaming, and you can see that master account is being traded with 4 lot size and 1500 profit was booked. It was a sell entry. It was the sell entry, and it was from the level 1.33. So it would be 100% near to 1.338. The entry would be near to 1.338. Along with our support and demand indicator, the trend indicator also given. This is the trend indicator marks, which also given the sell signal. This we talked about 25th November. Now I'll move into the 24th November, where you can see that the signal was generated at 5:45 AM. So 5:45 as per GMT. So it would be 8:45 GMT plus 3. Now 24th October 11 GMT, after 2 hours we posted the signal. GBP USD traded high to 1.339. Again you can see that the level given was 1.335, 1.338. Our entry we made from 1.338. Our SL didn't hit yet, because you can see that risk we always take is of 20 pips. So our SL was at 1.340. We just got safe by some of the pips, and our entry 1.338 walked until GBP USD traded low to 1.326, 120 pips booked. Profit was booked on 24th November. We'll see the live streaming, which you can see that it was streamed on 24th November. I will increase, where you can see that on GBP USD, it was traded with 4 lot size. The price was 1.3, so it would be hopefully near to 1.338, and where 1588 profit is being booked. Also you can verify the profit in other 9 accounts which are being traded with, all are traded with different lot size. So this is how, based on supply demand indicator, using trend indicator, using our different broker volume data, using fundamental analysis. We traded GBP USD. Now not only this, not only based on supply and demand, but I would also like to show you the thing. You can see that on 22nd November, you can check on the calendar date. On 22nd November, it was Sunday. You can see that it was Sunday, and on Sunday we given the glimpse of entire data, which you can see that on November week 4 news impact trading plan. So we have posted the entire week plan very well in advance, even when the market was not closed. So based on different events or different fundamental news, we decided that we will sell euro, we will sell GBP, we'll buy gold, we'll buy US oil, which you can see over here. We have told that we will sell GBP USD. An entire week we followed this trend and we took the profit and free signals. We'll also like to show you one of the real account. I've been posting this account since 12 months. 420448 SuperForex real account. The investor password of this account I will also add in the description, and we are updating this account since 12 months. I'll go into the account history where deposit was 10,000 on this account. I'll move in the account history and you just keep the watch. I'm increasing the size of the symbol and you just see the last 3 trades on this account. Just last 3 trades, which is on GBP USD. The last 3 trades is on GBP USD. Now check the time. One was made at 23, one was made at 24, one was made at 25, and profit is booked in all the 3 trades. All the 3 trades were placed with 2.5 lot size and one with 5 lot size. So 2 were placed with 2.5, but third was on 25th November was placed with 5 lot size, because we were so sure that GBP is going to fall, because on 23rd October also GBP USD fell down from 1.339 to 1.326. So we were so sure that GBP is going to fall, and on, you can see that once again here only 120 pips was made. So first time GBP fall from here, second time GBP fall on 22nd November. We entered with 2.5 lot size, both were, but when the third time when GBP USD went at the same price, we were so sure that it is going to fall, and so our third entry was with 5 lot size. So this is how we trade on our client account. When we get sure, we will increase the lot size on the account and will trade with higher risk. Here this is the micro account, so 10 lots is equal to 1 lot. So here if we are trading with 5 lots, it means that actual lot size is 0.5, and if it is 2.5 lots, then actual lot size is 0.25. So 2 trades were placed. This is the standard lot and this is the micro lot. So we were so sure that if we will trade here, if 2 trades are being traded with 2.5 while 1 traded with double lot size of previous, because we were sure about the falling of GBP USD. So this is how we trade on our client account. This is how we generate the free signals, and this is how we guide to our paid clients. If you have any query regarding our trading strategy, regarding our method of trading, then do please ask us, our executive. Have a happy weekend. Goodbye. Take care.